Horses are man's oldest friend and domesticated animal. For thousands of years, people have used horses for transportation, farming, and sport. Pushpin horse characteristics: horses can run very fast. A horse can usually run at a speed of 25 to 45 kilometers per hour. Horses are very intelligent and loyal animals. They have good hearing and memory. Four-leaf clover. What do horses eat? Horses are usually herbivores. For example, grass, hay, rice, or wheat husks, some fruits and vegetables. Hourglass not done. Lifespan: a horse can usually live up to 25 to 30 years. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Uses of horses previously. They were the main means of transportation. Now they are used for horse racing, police patrols, tourism, etc. In rural areas, they are still used for farming and pulling carts. Exploding head. Interesting facts: horses can sleep standing up. A horse has 36 to 44 teeth. There are many breeds of horses in the world.
নতুন নতুন ক্রিয়েটিভ ভিডিও দেখতে এখনই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।